Every year, IGLTA feels a little bit like a family reunion, but also yields such great business opportunities that it's become a priority for me each year.
O que fazemos nessa convenção é prioritário, primordial, muito bom para nossos negócios, nossas agências.
It's just an amazing exchange of humanity, if you will, talking about the width, breadth, and depth of our community.
はい、私が IGLTA に入ったのは10年前なんですけど、その時からですね、初めはもう誰もいなかったんですね、私以外のこういうアジアの顔の人は。ですけど2年目、3年目にしてから、もうどんどんですね、いろんな方々が私に話しかけてくれて、それがもうビジネスにとてもつながっています。
Every time I show up in an event, I'm meeting new folks, I'm learning more people's story.
I have been a member for IGLTA since 1992, so that's 30 years. I absolutely thrive on attending the IGLTA conference. It is the most extraordinary networking conference possible.
Te comento que desde hace mucho tiempo queríamos conocer a la gran familia de IGLTA, sentirnos como en casa y obviamente participar en el evento.
After COVID, I want to know the situation, how the LGBTQ tourism is going on. And of course, I wanted to meet all the IGLTA friends, staff, and also business partners in here.
Of course, we love the receptions because we get a chance to let our hair down and party after doing business all day.
I should say that it's the workshops, but it's really the after parties. And it sounds silly to say that, but it's where you build the most authentic connections.
My favorite part could be, I like the marketplace because you make the most of the opportunity in order to acquire more visibility in the international market.
La gran cantidad de conexiones y líderes de la industria que hemos conocido ha sido lo más espectacular.
The media reception, I absolutely love meeting all the journalists. I love meeting the influencers.
There are so many strategic conversations around, think tanks and that kind of thing where we're actually getting comfortable being uncomfortable, leaning into those courageous conversations and learning things that we don't necessarily know.
Being a part of the association, it has really benefited my business a lot.
Desde el principio de nuestra membresía, la comunidad de IGLTA siempre ha sido muy amable, muy proactiva y siempre a nuestra entera disposición para poderle sacar el mayor partido a la membresía.
For me, it's been invaluable. I own a media company and a consulting firm, and my interactions with different clients, different destinations, and hoteliers is absolutely pivotal to my business. So each year coming to IGLTA and being surrounded by people who are prioritizing the LGBT community is something that really has been a game changer for me as a business owner and an entrepreneur.
It's such a large portion of our advertiser base back in the early days of just running a website turned out to be destinations. They were kind of a cutting edge. They were ahead of the curve when it comes to trying to figure out how do I reach the LGBTQ traveler. And so that was always good for us business-wise, and then of course the connections and the people and the friends.
I think that IGLTA is the first stop for destinations and brands that are looking to reach the LGBT community. And it's not only because the entire LGBT tourism world is here, but it's because when a destination or when a brand is looking to reach the market, they can come to the conference and learn about the community.
Pues yo pienso que es una idea genial aplicar a la membresía de IGLTA porque vas a conseguir un apoyo fundamental para que tu destino o tu empresa no solo sean visibles, sino estén bien posicionados en el segmento en todo el mundo.
Jump in with both feet. You're never going to know until you show up, and that's the most important part. You come in because at the end of the day, if you're doing your part right, which is just making sure you're out there and meeting folks and mingling and networking, but also attending the educational events, you're going to walk away with something of value. The question then becomes, is it enough value to be able to make it so that you this was incredible, I got to come back every year? And I think the answer is yes.
Non dovrebbe avere nessun dubbio, perché è così importante non solo questa specifica nicchia di mercato, ma come effettivamente portare avanti questo turismo e farlo conoscere sempre di più e anche essere educati a come proporlo.
Eu diria que é o melhor jeito de você poder, a tua empresa poder se globalizar e atender muito com melhor qualidade o mercado LGBT, sem sombra de dúvida.
Que no lo piense dos veces, que esta es una familia y es completamente bienvenido.